Hey guys, today I am unboxing the HP Spectre x360 2-in-1 convertible laptop. I recently picked this up as a replacement to the one I have now, so it'll be fun. Let's see what's inside. So I will hand it to them. It is a really nice packing job. Right off the get-go, we've got... there's the box. Beautiful. And then we've also got the leather case. So this does include a leather case. It's a nice sleeve. And this laptop is the 10th gen Intel Core i7 10750H. So it is not the new latest 11th gen, but it is available now. It also has a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti with Max-Q, as well as has 16 gigs of onboard storage. Unfortunately, it's not removable, so the 16 gigs is soldered into place. You're stuck with that. It's also got a 4K OLED display, which is really nice. Gotta tell you, the unboxing of this is really nice so far, even though I haven't actually opened the physical box. And it's just really nice finish. So there it is, Spectre. You lift it off. It's got a really nice amount of tension on it. Beautiful. There's a laptop. So it's got this really nice gem cut that has been around for a little while now. It's really nice. It's a beautiful finish. This is the Sandust or Sandblast something. I'm not sure. I'll put the name of it in the link below, but it also comes in Poseidon Blue. Unfortunately, in Canada, we don't get Poseidon Blue. Not sure why. It's got a really nice feel to it. It's not overly heavy. I think it's just under 4 pounds. I'll double check that and put that in the link below as well. Everything I'm talking about is going to be at the bottom. So it's really nice. It's got a nice feel to it. The screen is beautiful. We'll get more in depth later. It's got a nice amount of I/O on the sides. It does come with a charging port as well as an HDMI on the one side. It also has an audio jack on that side as well. And on the other side, we've got 2 Thunderbolts, a regular USB, as well as a mini micro SIM card reader. Would have liked a full one. Got some paperwork. Comes with the 130 watt charging brick, which is nice. And there's the pen. So it's a really nice pen. Looking forward to using it. It also comes with 2 additional pen tips, so that's nice. You get 3 in total. And it's got a USB to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C. And you can charge that directly into the USB-C ports. So it's really nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, follow, check out what I have next.